In this video, we are going to be pouring up our study model cast. So I'm going to start by making a filler piece that would replace the patient's tongue. I do this by mixing up 1 cup of alginate and using a crumpled up piece of paper towel. And we do this because you want to block out that space, otherwise it will fill up with stone and it can get in the way of your model. So piece of paper towel and just some alginate on top. Let that set up. You want to be sure not to get it above the vestibule that you captured. While that's setting up, we are going to start mixing. I add base plate wax around the maxillary. This is one of 2 ways I'll show you how you can pour up a base. Uh, but base plate, base plate wax with a couple rubber bands, my preferred method. So mixing up our stone, you want to add the water first, just like your alginate. Makes it easier to mix. You want a thick, kind of like peanut butter consistency. Want to have a nice even mix, even color. I will start to load it into the tray. I've got the vibrating plate on, and with the handle against the vibrating tray, I will add my stone. If you touch your spatula to your tray, the stone will kind of just melt off there and fill in all your. I'll add the rest of the stone to make my base. Now that my tongue is dry or set, peel it off, making sure it fits in my base mold, and then add my water and my mix. And I like a peanut butter consistency. You want it to be almost to the point where it's hard to stir. And if you're doing it this way, you actually want it a little bit thicker for your base. If you have it too runny, your impression will sink into your base. So, like before, handle on the vibrating table and touch your spatula to your impression, and it will just roll off there. Here, I just filled up my base, and then once you have the two parts both filled, you can add them together. Now I'm just using a little paper towel to kind of soak up excess moisture. After letting it set up for a couple minutes on their own, I will stick the two together. That'll help it prevent it from sinking. There you have it. Two different ways of pouring up a study model cast. And you want to demold these in about 45 minutes.